speak English language, then you feel hesitation, fear, and afraidness. I know it's a common problem. In this video, I want to share how can you overcome this kind of the problem when you speaking English language. Your problem is the same like me, and every beginner, every learner face this problem, the same problems. He go to the this same problem and solve this problem. Its problem is very common when you speaking this language in your beginning days. Then you'll have to face this kind of the problem, and little bit try to speak this language. Gradually you look that your English is a little bit good as compare your past days. Like today's my English is a little bit less, but tomorrow my English will be good, because it's a day by day improvement, 1% improvement. So you should to try speaking this language. Don't forget to speaking this language in your day, in your entire day. And read novels, papers, and videos, podcast. It means overall consume the content of the English. When you consume the content of the English, then you feel that your English will be improved, and little bit you are improving yourself in English. And master communication. Improve your communication skill, because hesitation is a more like a depend on your confidence and your communication skill. How many time you are communicate with the other person, and what category of communication skill you have. Like you are beginning, you are intermediate, you are advanced person in English and in communication skill. So it's a matter that if you want to improve your English language, so try to expand your communication skill, because communication skill is a more important. Whenever you go, try to speak with the other person, like a stranger persons, like how are you, what's your name, what kind of the activity you are doing, and you are improving your English, and what is going on. So many things you can ask with a other person, stranger person. And then you will look that literally your communication skills, your speaking skills, your speaking fluency is improving day by day. Some people think that how can I get a fluency. Do you know fluency is a totally depend on your practice. Like in the entire day, how many time you are doing practice, and you have left the like a fear and a frighteness or not. Past 2 or 3 days I also talked about that what was say about me, my neighborhood's person, my relative. But I have left all of the things. I have left all of the things that what they are say to me. I forget all of the things, and now I'm able to speak English language. Maybe in my neighborhood, someone person look me to speak this language and create a video. I don't care about it, because it's my life, and whatever I can do, it's my personal and my private privacy. I don't want to care, and I don't want to focus on other self. Okay, so you should also try to speak English language, and don't focus on other self. Okay, because it's a language. It's like same. It's a Hindi to English. It's a totally language. As you speak in Hindi, as you speak in English. Okay, so do not compare that it's a other language, it's a alien language. No, it's a language, and everybody know about it. Okay, everybody know that it's a language, it's a totally language, not a like a hawa, like it's a very like a very big things. No, it's a language. So speak like a language, not just a symbol. Not it's like alien language, it's a language. And maybe sometimes that we are focusing on yourself. Okay, it's good, but sometimes compare yourself and compare oneself with the other. Like my cousin's English is very good, but my English is not very good. My friend's English is good, but why I'm not able to speak this language very good way. you know some like your cousin, your friend has other capabilities, abilities to learn this language, and you have other capabilities to learn this language. So do not focus on your on other self. Because they have started her journey, and themselves journey is the other type of the things, like maybe any different ways, and you have started your English journey with a different ways. uh, some person have a other like other difference of the like a communication skill. Maybe your friend has a good communication skill, your colleague has a good speaking tongue twisters, and they practice daily basis in tongue twister. So many things is a matter to speaking this language. So do not compare with yourself with the other, because your English fluency and other English fluency is the other. Okay, you have other capabilities, your friends has other capabilities to learn any language. you are your maybe your mind connect with the listening, and your friends speaking thinking, it's connected in oneself mind. So try to think an English language, daily basis. When you think in English language, like whenever you go and whatever you want to say, firstly try to think in English. When you think in English, I want to go to the market, I will go to my cousin's home, think in English basic things, okay? And create an environment like a English. Your friends, when your friends come in your home, so you can say your friend, please friend, please try to speak English language, because I want to improve my English. And as well as your English will be also improve if I speak English, and you both of speak English language and communicate with oneself, and both of. So this good thing that both of the things you are able to speak this language, and both of peoples, two pupils as a partner type of the partner and speaking this language. And that on the Play Store, a lot of the apps, many apps is available for learning English language. You have also seen on the YouTube, a lot of the advertisement, in the advertisement, that it's like a peer app, it's a PW app, it's a lot of the, it's SpaceX, SpeakX, and CV app. So many apps. It's not promotion video, okay? It's not a sponsored video. I just say you that it's a lot of the apps available for learning this language. So you can do and go ahead to download, because download this app, it's very very provide you a lot of the things to audio call, video call, whatever you have problem, you have not a friend, you have not a colleague, you have not a partner to speak this language, you have not right pronunciation. This kind of the app provide you so many things to learning this language, and literally you will learn. So try to speak English language and download this kind of the apps, and then you will look your fluency. Literally you will look your fluency after approximately 6 months or 2 months use this app. After 2 months use this app, you will look your fluency. You will become like a very good man to speak this language, and your friends shocked that wow, your English is very good. How have you started your English journey, and how have you learned this language? So this kind of the things are more important for learning English, and anything you want to learn. So try to your best. And it's my experience that when I am creating a video, so in my neighborhood, like a lot of the person is stand and maybe sit, and maybe some people look me, but I ignore themselves, and then I'm able to speak English language. If I focus and pay attention themselves, so I cannot able to speak fluent. I know that it's a very common thing. My neighbor persons, a lot of the neighbor persons behind me look me, but I'm continue my and carry on my speaking English. And that's why it's a good thing that ignore a lot of the persons. You'll have to ignore your family member. When you speak English language, then family members can also judge you, your maybe your sister, your brother, your cousin, English is not language, or English बोलने से क्या होता है, so many things, okay? So ignore all of the persons. Maybe your fathers ignore you, and your father not like you to that it's language. So some problems and some issues is running on and going on in your family, I know, to speak English language. So it's a totally for you. When you speak English, then it's a beneficial for you, not your family members. And I'm suggest you that create a one YouTube channel and daily upload a video. It's provide you if you are able to speak in this language, so on the YouTube, it's you can say that your YouTube channel can be grow, and your English as well as grow. So why? So okay, try to focus in English, and you can also create a YouTube channel and create with a video and a daily upload video. So thank you for watching, and till the end, and have a nice day, and nice to meet you, and I will meet next video.